Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing my drill. This is a new drill I have got for my future projects. Time for me to unbox it. Okay, I'm now unboxing it by opening it like that. There. Okay, so this is the drill itself. This one here, that's the drill. Then it also comes with a set of brushes to change on the motor. Then it does also come with a holder. I'll show you how to fit it. And also it comes with a key, the Titan key. This is the Titan key. Also comes with the key and a manual book. Okay, and also an inch ruler to draw how many inches you want. Okay, we put that on the side. So first thing, we open the manual book. Okay, so this manual book shows us the instructions how to fit this. So we screw this like this on the manual book. You see, that's the manual book there. Okay, I'm screwing that nicely. Okay, and from there we get the drilling machine there, and over the drill head, and here it goes. Then we get the nut, put it right like that. Then from there we screw it in like this. A bit tricky. A little tricky. Okay, it screws on like that. So we need to get the nut nicely in place. Okay, so we screw it nicely in place. Okay, okay. Okay, nicely in place. And from there, the key slots on here. Okay, then from there as well, these air brushes will keep them safe for so they can be used when the brushes run out on this drill. Okay, then this for the inches slides in here like that. You see, just like that. Okay, but this one you not really need. Okay, this drill will be used in my future hands-on projects, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Please subscribe. To subscribe, On the red icon there is a button saying subscribe. You click that subscribe, then you click the bell notification. Please subscribe for more videos. Happy making.